Let me just. Okay. So there are two sets of governments in India. The country, in order to run and govern the country, there are two sets of governments. One is the central government that governs the whole country, and another is the state government. The central government takes care and govern the whole country, whereas the state government governs only the states. Our country is divided into smaller areas, which are called states and union territories. We will learn about that. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India, and New Delhi is the national capital territory of Delhi. Okay, now here I have something to tell you. In 2021, there is a change. What is that change? That it is written here, there are 29 states and 7 union territories. So it will be actually 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, one state is now included in the union territories. So from the state list, it will be shifted to the union territories. So what will be the number? 28 states and 8 union territories. 28 states and 8 union territories. Just mark the change. Okay, just the number. In case of the number of states, it will be 28, and in case of number of union territories, it will be in case of number of states, it will be 28, and in case of union territories, it will be 8. Okay. New Delhi is the national capital territory of Delhi. In terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest state in India. So from this paragraph, which is telling us about the political divisions of India, we can learn about the divisions in the political divisions. That means the two sets of governments that we can see in India. One is the central government that governs and takes care of the whole country. Another is the state government that governs and takes care of the states only. So how many states are there? 28. And how many union territories are there? Total 8 union territories are there. Rajasthan is the largest state of India and Goa is the smallest state of India. Physical divisions of India. As we have already read in this chapter that India is a very big country, it has varied landforms also. The varied landforms are mountains, hills, plains, deserts, plateaus, coastline, forests, and islands. So these are the various types of or different types of landforms we can see in India. We can see the mountains, we can see hills, we can see plains, deserts, plateaus, coastline, forests, and islands. Now, in which part of India we can see which type of landform? We will learn about it detailed tomorrow because we have very less time today. Now, quickly read this tidbit part that is given in this page. The neighboring countries of India are Nepal, China, Bhutan, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. These are the names of some neighboring countries of India. So you can see here some of the neighboring countries we can see in this map. We can find China here, China, Tibet. We can find Pakistan here. We can find Sri Lanka here. And we can also find Afghanistan here. We can also find Myanmar here. Right? So you can see these are the neighboring countries. That means countries that are our neighbors. Right? After our boundary, we can find these countries. So what are the names of these countries? China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. These are our neighboring countries. Okay, so for today, everyone, mark up to this. Mark up to this. Okay, read this part in your home. If you face any problem, if you don't understand any word or any part, you can ask me tomorrow. You just simply raise your hand. And now what I'm going to do, I can see so many hands are still raised. So I will call your names one by one and you unmute your device and tell me what is your doubt. So now the names of the 28 states are Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. You can count in your hand, count it. How many states I'm talking about? Count it. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. How many? 28, right? Total 28 states. And the United Territories are also there. 8 United Territories are also there. They are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, and Ladakh. Okay. So these are the 8 union territories. I will send this list, this new list in your study material. Okay, so don't worry, you will get this list of 28 states and 8 union territories. You will get the list, I will send it. Okay, so that's it for today, students.